everyone, welcome back to Patch Your Dreams. So today is the last day of 2020 and I thought to wrap up 2020 with an elegant New Year Eve craft. So this is a simple and quick last minute New Year Eve decoration with a simple wine bottle. So this is a very cool idea to decorate your wine bottles. So you can actually save this project not only for New Year Eve, but also you can save this for your graduation parties, birthday parties, and literally anything. So I'm going to share a quick and easy New Year Eve party decoration with empty wine bottles. So you need an empty wine bottle, and I hope you will probably have on your shelf from your Christmas day, and you need a Fimo leather. So I actually have this Fimo leather effect for a long time, and I couldn't get a nice chance to use this, but now I just thought this would be a good idea to use the leather effect clay. And this is the first time I'm using Fimo leather effect clay, so I'm so pretty excited to know how this is going to turn out. So you need to knead that clay well and make that into a very fine narrow sheet. And I felt compared to other clay, this Fimo leather is super soft and very easy to work with. So I don't have a pasta machine, so I'm using this roller to roll out the clay, and I'm going to make a very thin sheet of leather clay. And I got this fine thin sheet of Fimo leather clay. Look at this, guys. This is so satisfying to see this because it is very fine. It is very easy to work with. And those white particles you see on this leather is the corn flour which I added to avoid sticking. And now you need to bake this according to the package instructions. Unlike other clays, this Fimo leather has to bake at 265 Fahrenheit or 130 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to put this on a tray and I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes and I will be back. So meanwhile, our clay is getting ready inside the oven. I'm going to spray paint this wine bottle with metallic gold spray paint. So now I'm ready with this gorgeous spray painted wine bottle in gold color. Now the clay is also ready. It is so smooth and so flexible, as you can see. And I put on a little bit of Vaseline all over the sheet because it had that corn flour sticked onto the surface after it gets baked. So I just added a little bit of Vaseline to get it very smooth and shiny. So now we are going to cut out the numbers 2021 out of this clay sheet, and we are going to stick that on this wine bottle. For getting those numbers, you can either print them out or you can write the numbers onto a sheet of paper and then cut them out. So here I have drawn the numbers on a sheet of paper like 2021, and I'm going to cut them out like this. So these are the cutouts of these numbers 2021, and as you can see I have only 1 2 because the 2 is repeating. Now you need to trace them onto this clay sheet and again cut them out. So as you can see, the Fimo leather effect is so flexible and firm, so you can easily cut them out of this leather, and it is pretty much very similar to artificial leather. And one advantage is that you can use both the sides compared to other leather. So this is literally a very cool idea. So I'm going to cut out all those numbers out of this Fimo leather and I will be back. So here are the numbers 2021 out of Fimo leather. Look at this. It is so flexible and it is literally looks like artificial leather. And I really liked that Fimo leather effect. And now comes the most exciting part of this project, the glittery part. So now I'm going to cover these numbers with some crafter's glue like Mod Podge or tacky glue, anything of your choice, and sprinkle with your favorite fine glitter like maybe gold or silver or whatever to match with your New Year decoration. Actually, I'm out of my gold glitter, so I'm going to go with the silver glitter, which is actually from dollar store. So I'm going to sprinkle my numbers in silver glitter. It is very fine glitter. So let's do this. Now brush off any excess glitter and let it dry for some time. So this is how this numbers looks now. So I'm going to let it dry for some time and then we can adhere these numbers onto our wine bottle. Now the numbers are ready. Now you can stick those numbers onto the wine bottle, looking like 2021. You can also stick these numbers separately into 4 different wine bottles. You can use hot glue gun or a super glue to stick these numbers onto wine bottle. Here I am sticking 20 onto the first line using super glue and 21 onto the next line looking like 2021. And voila, look at this. I'm sure this is going to be your stunning, eye-catching New Year Eve decoration. And this is for a new year and font a farewell to the old 2020. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I wish you all a very happy, healthy new year. See you in 2021. Toodles!